stop me from this. Yes. Now I claim your son.
Hey guys, welcome back to Epic Reviews, and today I'm going to be doing the full review of the Dino Shop. No, wait, it's the Dino Model Shop. Revenge of the Fallen, full toy review. And as you can see, I'm just going to do a little tutorial first to see to show you that all the pieces you have to put together. As you can see on the table. I'm just gonna run each piece down one by one. You got the head piece. You got the head piece. That's what it looks like up close. You got the body. You see, that's what it looks like. You know, the joints that you connect the arms to. Got the two hands. Actually, these aren't, I'm gonna say the arms, not the hands. Got the two arms. Okay. Nice little detail they did with them. Okay. You got the two legs together. Okay. You got the, I don't know what you call these. I guess the underhand arms attachments for his attached to his stomach. Okay. Then you got some feet. You can see. Okay. Actually. And then finally you got the actually you got the staff attachment as well. You're gonna put these together as well. And again, this is a full review. I'm gonna be showing you how to do everything, so you know exactly what to do. Okay. And the final little piece is for the attachment to the neck or the face. I'll show you that later. Alright, this piece already comes attached, but you can take it off. So whenever it accidentally comes off, I'll show you what to do. Okay. And shit, I forgot to get a little screwdriver. Alright. Also, you're gonna need I forgot to mention, I'm glad got it. You're gonna need a little small screwdriver so you can screw the little screws in place. I'll show you exactly how that works. Okay. Alright. So now let's get to the putting them together, the Fallen. So first, do the head. Where's the little head thing? Okay. Looks like being in a toy petri dish. You see. Alright. I need to get it better. So you see the little two back things right there. That is where you attach this little piece. You see, look, in case it comes out, because it does come attached. And my camera just stopped working for some reason. Alright, so you see, it'll attach, and you just put it in like that. There you go. That's connects the neck, the head to the body. You can see again, a nice little head scope. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to show you where you put the head. And I know again, it can be very confusing because you can't really tell which is the front of the body and which is the back, the front side or the back. So this is the front side of the body, as you can tell. Well, you can't really tell, but but this is the front side of the body. So here we get confused. I don't really know how to explain it, but most of the blue parts are in the front. So you can see even the legs. This is the front part of the body. You can show the nice blue covering. Okay, and this is the back. The back is the way you can tell it's the back. It's gonna be easier is the spines. Okay, this is how you can tell it's the back of the body. You see the little spines coming out. Okay, and it took me a while because I kept getting confused on what was the front of the body, what was the back. So now you have that little head, the head joint. Yeah, that. And then you connect it like that. Okay, there you go. Okay. The neck joint, it's okay. Ain't the best at times. The joint could be a lot more stronger in the neck. It can still fall if you know, move it a little, but ain't too bad. So, okay. So now you got the arms. No, the arms. Okay. So now you got the arms. Okay. So the way you do this is, you make sure I put this on wrong too. It's so confusing at times. You know, it doesn't come with a menu instruction. I can say a direction thing, but let me make sure it's correct. Okay. No. I don't think it really matters, but alright, so you got the arm, you can see. And there's a little joint right there where you connect the arm. Okay, and you connect the arm right here in this little joint right there. Okay, so you connect that arm right here. Okay. Okay, now you can see so it's being built. You take the other arm, and you do the same on this side. Put it right there in that little joint. Okay. Then you attach it. Okay. So now you see you got the little arms. I mean, not little arms, but they are spiky. Okay. So you can see that. So now these is the little underarm attachment thingies. I don't know what you would call it, but I just call them that because they do attach under the arm. Okay, got these two. And again, at times I can't really tell which one's the right and which one's the left. So I just assume by eye, if it looks right, then it must be is right. Okay, so you got you see the little thing right there? That's where you attach the arm. It is under the stomach. See, this is the arm right here, attachment, and this is the underarm attachment. Okay, right there. Got this part. And you just attach it right there. Okay. Okay. And again, with the same on the other side. That's the arm right there. And they got a little ball joint on the underside. Right here. And then you attach the same thing. Okay. So now you see. I will show you where to attach these little things as well. Okay. This. Now this little underarm joint right here. That's where you attach this part right here. Okay. So then let me show you. Also, it is some damn thing so big. And be very careful with this figure. It is kind of fragile. It's easy for the joints to. Okay, so now you have this thing is very attachable. Okay, It has springs to it. So you can pull it out to a certain length. Okay. So now this is where you're gonna attach the shit. Actually, this one good. Okay, you got this, and then attach it under here. Right here. Okay. And then you will attach. If you got disconnected from the arm, then you just push it right back into the stomach area or the side, and there you go. You got yourself nice. You see. Then you do the same with this one. It'll probably be better if you just got the other thing. Is so damn tough. You can see that's where you attach the thing right there. Okay. Okay. I think it would be easier if you just do it that way instead of trying to attach it to the stomach, and then you just rotate the arm, and then you just push it in like that. Okay. And there you go. Now you got yourself almost completed folding. Okay. So now I'm gonna do the legs. This is the part where you will have to get this little screw thingy right here and screw in the legs. Okay, on the back of the legs they have, where's the other? Shit, I think I lost it. I have to find it. But as you can see on the back of the legs, got the little screw. Okay, and on the other side, you screw it in through the that, and there's a little hole in the leg section. We also have to screw that in. Okay. Oh, it's hold it upside down. You can see. See. So make sure this is attached right to the leg, so you can be able to screw it through the hole. Okay. So I'll show you. What is it? Oh, okay. Actually, I was wrong. I hate when that happens. Actually, where is it? This is where you screw the feet in. Ignore that part. I made a mistake. You screw that into the feet. But the back of the legs, as you can see, has little screws as well in. So you just screw it up. So make sure you attach it right. Make sure it's aligned with how the screw is placed in. So you'll put. Okay, you see the little hole right there, right there. You will. You screw that in, and you just push this in all the way in to make sure it's aligned with this hole, and then you just screw it in like this. Okay. I'm not gonna do it in all the way for the sake of time, but oh. And then you will do the same for the other leg. You have the, where's it? You see the little hole right there, right here. You'll do the same. You line up with the screw with the back of the leg. Okay. You see the little screw right there. You line that hole up with that, and then you would insert it in. Okay. And then you'll screw this piece in, just like you did with the other one, like that. You're gonna need like a little small screwdriver. I don't know. This is like it's a 2mm screw. This one is. So you can find some on that side. You'll be good. Okay. And again, that's where you will screw that in on the back of the leg. So now onto the feet. Oh. Now again with the feet, I can't tell which is the right leg and which is the left. I just go by my eyes to see which one is the best. So I'm just gonna again with the feet. The feet have the little hole things for you you screw in the screw through that, and make sure the little hole in the leg that you can see right there is aligned with the screw for the feet. Okay. Oh, that stupid dang camera done oh, it shut off again for some damn reason. Alright, let me get back to it. Alright, so okay, so now back to the leg. And you see the leg, the thing right there. You did a screw at the bottom. You can see you line that hole up with the screw on the foot, and then you'll be alright. Okay, so you can see I got the foot right there. I can see the leg screw, and I got the hole on this side. Okay, you can see right there. Then it's gonna line it up with the screw. It's pretty simple. Okay, and then you do the same with the other one. The leg screw right there. You line it up. Make sure it's well, it's pretty simple. Alright, so you just gonna push it in. This one is, where is it? Come on, go on. Alright, there we go. And then now you just have to screw the screw in. Right there. You can see it. The little hole right there. A little screw. I'm just gonna screw it in. Like that. Alright. I'm not gonna screw in that much for the sake of time. Now you almost got yourself a complete Revenge of the Fallen. Okay. Okay. And now you got the hands. And then the hands can move. I broke some of them, so I had to super glue it. They can move to close the staff. You can see this one. Yeah, I think so. You can see they can move. I kind of messed mine up, but I think I broke the. I don't think I messed it up, but somehow the hands and the screws can come out. So, well, this one that works. So you can see how it closes and opens. Okay, so now the hands you're gonna put. Obviously, the thumb. It's just like you put on a regular human hand. You put the right hand. And so you put the left hand, which is this one, and the left hand. And then you put the right hand on this one. I should have did this first, but you can see. Alright. Let's frustrate these. Alright. Okay. So now I got that taken care of. Alright. So now the final thing is the staff. Okay. Put that back in. Oh, that's why it's not working. Put it on the head back. Okay, now you can see. Let me get back from the camera. How tall this guy is. But the final thing is the staff. Okay, you got this piece. You got this piece where you start the hole in. Okay, you put it together. All this is how you would. This was a snipe completely together.